Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going head-to-head with two top-notch dash cams, Galphi and REDTIGER. Buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we dive into the world of dash cams. The Galphi 3-channel dash cam comes with 3 cameras, providing all-round protection for your car. It has a front camera with a 165-degree field of view, a cabin inside camera with a 160-degree view, and a rear camera with another 160-degree view. With this setup, you'll have vital evidence for any dispute or accident. The Galphi dashcam features a high-performance Novatech chipset and a Sony sensor, delivering smooth 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. Plus, you can see all 3 channel videos on the IPS screen in real time. The Galphi dashcam shines in night vision capabilities with its f1.8 aperture and WDR technology. It performs exceptionally well in low light situations and even has 4 IR lights facing the cabin, capturing clear footage in complete darkness. Perfect for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers. The Galphi dashcam is equipped with a gravity shock sensor, automatically saving footage as evidence in the event of a collision or bump. It also has loop recording, overwriting the oldest unprotected files when the SD card is full. It doesn't just protect you on the road, but also when you're parked with its parking monitor feature. The Galphi dashcam has a unique compact design that won't obstruct your view or distract you while driving. The rear camera setup is also easy, requiring no removal of the reversing light. It also supports up to 128 GB memory disks, offering double the storage compared to other normal 3-channel systems on the market. The Galphi dashcam comes with a full refund within 30 days and a 1-year warranty. Their customer care team is always ready to assist you, providing worry-free after-sales service. The REDTIGER 4K dashcam captures your drive journey in stunning 4K resolution. It has a 170-degree wide-angle view for the front camera and a 140-degree wide angle for the rear camera. The enhanced Super Night Vision ensures visibility even in low-light situations. The REDTIGER dashcam features an upgraded touchscreen, allowing easy access to all its features. It also has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity, providing convenient access to recorded videos on your mobile phone. The built-in GPS accurately tracks your vehicle's location, speed, and route. The REDTIGER dashcam offers loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full. It's equipped with a built-in G sensor, which detects sudden movements or impacts and protects the associated footage. It also has parking monitoring, activating recording when it detects any impact or sudden motion while your vehicle is parked. The REDTIGER dashcam comes with a supercapacitor, ensuring uninterrupted operation even in extreme weather conditions. It includes a free 64 GB memory card and offers a 12-month warranty with 24/7 after-sale service. Both dashcams offer impressive features, but it ultimately comes down to your preferences and budget. The Galphi dashcam is priced at $99, while the REDTIGER dashcam is priced at $229. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Galphi bound to go. The Galphi 3-channel dashcam and the REDTIGER 4K dashcam battling it out for the title of the best dashcam. Both offer impressive features, but it ultimately comes down to your preferences and budget. And there you have it, folks. The Galphi 3-channel dashcam and the REDTIGER 4K dashcam battling it out for the title of the best dashcam. Both offer impressive features, but it ultimately comes down to your preferences and budget. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to grab these fantastic dashcams. And if you enjoyed this video, Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smart purchasing decisions. Drive safe, everyone.